Lost car key. On a warm, golden-hued Saturday morning in the small town of Green Meadows, Emily was bustling with excitement. She had planned a perfect picnic with her dear friend Lucy. The sun was shining bright, the birds were chirping, and everything seemed just right for a day out in nature. Emily, with her curly hair bouncing with each step, packed a basket with homemade sandwiches, fresh fruit, and a large, fluffy blanket. She was humming a cheerful tune, picturing the serene lakeside spot where they planned to relax. Just as she was about to leave, she reached into her purse for her car keys and froze. They weren't there. Panic set in as she rummaged through her bag, her heart racing. "Not now, please," she muttered to herself, feeling the walls of her carefully planned day start to crumble. She searched frantically, turning her cozy apartment upside down under the cushions, in the kitchen drawers, even in the fridge, half expecting them to magically appear. In the midst of her search, her phone rang. It was Lucy, her voice bubbling with anticipation. "Hey you on your way?" she asked. Emily's heart sank. "Lucy, I can't find my car keys," she confessed, trying to hold back her frustration. "What? Oh no! Do you want me to come over and help look?" Lucy offered, her concern evident in her voice. Emily hesitated but then agreed, feeling a wave of gratitude for her friend's offer. Lucy arrived in no time, and together they embarked on a quest to find the elusive keys. They chatted and laughed as they searched, trying to lighten the mood, but Emily's anxiety was palpable. Just as Emily was about to give up and call a locksmith, Lucy suggested checking the laundry one last time. Emily, feeling a bit hopeless, agreed. As she sifted through the pile, her hand brushed against something metallic in the pocket of an old pair of jeans. Her heart leaped. "Lucy, I found them!" she exclaimed, holding up the keys triumphantly. The relief and joy in her voice were infectious, and both friends broke into relieved laughter. "Oh, Emily, only you could manage something like this!" Lucy teased gently, her eyes sparkling with mirth. Emily rolled her eyes, but her smile was wide. "I owe you one, Lucy. Let's get going before I lose them again," she said with a chuckle. As they drove to the lake, the car was filled with the comforting sounds of their chatter and laughter. The picnic turned out to be even more enjoyable than they had imagined. The food tasted better, the sun felt warmer, and the lake seemed more tranquil, all because of the little adventure they had experienced. Reflecting on the incident of the lost and found key, Emily learned to be a bit more organized. More importantly, she realized the value of having someone who would stand by her, even in the most mundane crises.